I have never seen this color other than Nike Dual Racer. 39 bucks with 20% off. That's not bad. Which colorway out of the two would you guys say you like more? Both of these colorways are dope. If we get some more comparisons of different colorways, I'll go ahead and put them together. They got some of the Paul Georges, the originals. What do y'all think about that in the comment section? Some PG1s. Haven't really seen those too much, but the outlets got them galore. Colorway is not bad at all. A little soft purple. Look like it should be a Lakers shoe, something like that. PG1. How many of you guys actually own the PG1? And give me your thoughts on them. Where do they rank among all the other PGs? Is the PG1 the best PG so far? Let me know. We came over here real quick to the kids section, take a look around, see what they have going on over here. They got some foam pilots for the little ones. 1Y for 59 bucks. They got some white Kyrie 3s. Not a bad situation for the kids. Some Jordan 1s. Okay, I see some chlorophylls. How many of you guys out there in general is feeling the chlorophylls, man? Some spikes for the kids. 3s. They got Kyrie 4 Obsidians. They got the Kyrie game stepping up. They got some KDs down here. Okay, I see what they're doing for the little ones. I forgot the name of these 13s. Let me know what y'all think about those in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think about those in the comment section below. A lot of people have been complimenting me on those. Some shadows, 10s. Yes, indeed. They got the kids hooked up over here. These ones too. Okay. Some spikes. Yes, so far so good. Thank you. Okay. Some more 10s for the little ones. Not bad at all, man. They got the mac and cheese for the little toddlers. I'm telling you, they got you covered. No matter how old you are, they got something for you. From the little ones all the way up to the big ones. Let's get back to the men's sizes and see what else is going on. There's so many shoes, I'm pretty sure I forgot a lot of things. That's why I got to double back and go see. Let's go back by the back wall and double check. 10 Just Do It's. Oh, these are for women though. Size 12. 94 bucks, extra 20% off of that. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these. A lot of girls rock these. I've been seeing these a lot. I'm wondering on people watching, what do you guys think about these? One size 10, 69 bucks. Not bad at all, man. Gee, ladies out there, let me know what you think about them. Cortezes, this is not bad at all either. I like that blue colorway, that's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Some free runs. Some epic reacts, some reacts. Let me see. These are pretty. All right, not too bad. What else is going on over here? Nothing standing out. Got some Airmax 95. That's not a bad colorway. I don't want to just show one side. You know what I mean? So if you enjoy that, also hit the like button. Wow, these are nice. They hooked the ladies up with these ones. Yeah, this one is nice. Ladies, let me know. Fellas, let me know. Everybody, let me know. This colorway is pretty raw. I'm not mad at that pony hair on these. You got that suede right there. These are plush, bro. Super plush. I'm not mad at those. What's the retail on these? 79 bucks, size 10 for the ladies. They need to go ahead and, I want to see somebody wearing that. Those are different. They got them in a few sizes too. Those are nice. Patent leather SBs. Let's go ahead and take these out and see what they're looking like. Patent leather SBs. What's the thoughts, ladies? Pass, trash, cop, fire. What is it? They hooking the ladies up. This colorway is not bad either. I've seen these shoes plenty of times. But what's good on them, this is a colorway I do not mind. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comment section. Not a bad shoe at all. Got the gum on the front part of it, pretty dope. What do y'all think about this Airmax 270? This one's not bad, bro. Some people don't like it when they have the multiple materials on there, but I think these make them kind of like a premium look to it. I'm not mad at these at all. Of course, this is not my size. This is size 9. But I had to show them because I just think they're pretty dope. I want to show some love to all kinds of shoes as we do on the channel, not just the super hyped ones, you feel me? Cop, pass, fire, or trash. I think we pulled these out already. This colorway is not too bad either. Fire or trash. Let me know what y'all think about these. Never really seen these too many times. I mean, I've seen them. That sounds crazy. Never really seen these too many times. I haven't really seen these too many times. They are pretty cool, but not really my cup of tea. You just got a look to it that makes me have to pick them up and take a closer look at them. You know what I mean? Tell me your thoughts on these Zoom flies in this colorway. It's like a navy blue with like a red and a gray. That's pretty dope. I would love it if that check was 3M, but I don't think it is. Colorway's not that bad though. I like that navy blue and that red combination. Not surprised to see these have the outlets. Definitely we've seen those before. Slide knit trainers in like that navy blue colorway with an extra pair of laces. Some more Airmax 270s. It's just lit up over here. Not gonna keep repeating the same shoes. I'm just gonna go through and fine tooth the shoes that we haven't seen. What do y'all think about these? What are these? The Airmax 180s also? Yep, size 9.5. I'm kind of good. Okay, this is a new shoe. This is a newer shoe in the stores. We've actually seen this in the store plenty of times. What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? They now have it here at the outlets. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. Over time, the more and more I look at them, these are actually pass for me. But what's a pass for me doesn't mean it's a pass for you. Air Jordan 1 Moto, cop, pass, fire, or trash. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. I'm kind of good on these, but let me know what you think. How many of us know what these are? These Jordan 1 Low Pinnacles. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't think I've seen these before. I'm good on them, but you might like them. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? The box says Jordan 1 RELOGO Pinnacle, right? Never seen them before. First time seeing this shoe in the outlets. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Yeah. These are not bad at all, bro. I'm kind of good on them, but they are a pretty dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section below. All right, cocaine. I have 1 or 2 pair of Jordan 7s. These will be a headache for me to keep clean, but they are dope. Let me know what you guys think about these. Okay, what was that noise? A lot of hoopers are a fan of these bad boys. The Hyper Dunks, I like that orange, it's real popping. And they got a low top right above it too. Same colorway in the low top. They got the triple black Kyrie 4s also. Got a good load of Kyrie 4s at the outlet, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, it's that time. I got Kyrie 4s and Kyrie 3s here. Same bottom, very similar to the cookies and cream or Oreo, whatever you want to call them. Kyrie 5, crazy. They also have the Seahawk Kyrie 5. This is clean and still icy white too. It doesn't look like it's like dirty. Like sometimes you get to the outlets and it looks like sometimes you can get to the outlets and the shoes look kind of dirty, the white ones. But this is a very clean one. Size 12. Finding a good amount of Kyrie 4s here, man. 59 bucks with 20% off. They got the Kyrie 3s again in some more colorways. We didn't see this before. The black and white one with that suede on the back panel of the shoe. You know, the back panels have always been the signature place of Kyrie's on the Kyrie 3. Not too bad. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section below. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. Like I said, they are here at the outlets. Size 11.5. Another Kyrie 4 marble, 11.5. And you got the Kyrie 3. Again, 49 bucks, 20% off. Everything in here has 20% off. Haven't really seen this Kobe, but I have a great feeling, strong feeling, it's the Chinese New Year Kobe. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section below. Got Kobe on the inside there, you can see. Kobe jersey. Not bad though. Let me know what y'all think about these. Of course, they got the Kobe Protros in the black and red. We've been seeing Kobe Protros at more and more outlets. These Mambas, not too bad either. LeBron Low Premiums, never really seen these before. Never seen these before. I'm kind of good on them now. Size 12 for $190. They got these bad boys in the outlet. Was kind of surprised to see these here. I mean, even though they haven't been selling like that, but a lot of stores in LA that had them, if they were sitting on shelf, they were sending them to other regions who didn't have them. I know 2 Foot Lockers who did that. They were sitting on them, so they sent them to like North Dakota or something like that, to another Foot Locker who I guess would move it a little faster. Size 12 in these. I mean, these still look dumb clean from when the time I had them in my possession. These are pretty dope. These are a clean pair, 1 pair here only. First ones I've seen. Size 12 has a $190 retail tag on it, but like I said, we're at the outlet, so that's automatically 20% off. If you have like friends or family or something like that, I'm not quite sure how that works, but if you have friends or family, you can get an extra 20-30% off. Size 12. I know 1 or 2 people who would appreciate these. What do you guys think about these? These are actually the Eddie Joneses. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop, pass, fire, or trash? I see they got a lot of classic shoes, or should I say a couple classic shoes back to back. You guys already know what these are. These Dennis Rodman things, of course, in that blue colorway, which is pretty dope. Not bad. But what do you guys know about these? These are called Nike Airmax 2 Up Tempo. I think these, oh, I'm sorry, sir. I think these were like Alonzo Mournings or something like that. Or not Chris Webber's. I think these might have been Alonzo Mournings. These came out actually in another colorway. It's like black and green. Pretty dope colorway. But this one all white, not too bad. Of course, I can't rock with them because they're all white. Hard for me to keep them clean. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. If anybody out there likes some Air Max Deluxe, they got yourself a pair right here, 11.5. In this colorway, not too bad, bro. That black and red and folk going on. If you guys are a fan of Air Max 27 or Air Max Deluxe, it's $104 retail with an extra 20% off. You dig? Share your thoughts and opinions on these Air Maxes. Air Max 90 print. Got like that suede material. Okay, let me see. Let me get this off the box here. All right, I'm not mad at the materials on this shoe. It's popping crazy too. That red. All the shoe boxes, that's what that print is. Okay, I can dig this. I can dig this. What do you guys think about this in the comment section? Is this something you guys would pass on or not? I mean, this material right here, is nice, bro. I'm not mad at these. I don't know if I've really seen these inside Foot Locker, bro. Can't say that it comes to ring a bell, but these are fire. Tell me your thought on these Pegasus. Very colorful. A lot of things going on. For you runners out there or people who like to wear runners, let me know what you guys think about this. If you own a pair of Pegasus 35, give me the feedback in the comment section below. We all would love to know. I have yet to try one on or own a pair. This is size 11, so I can't do it here. But let me know what you guys think about them. I have yet to see these Jordan 2s with this material on it too. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Not too big a fan on Jordan 2s myself, but I have never seen this colorway nor with this material on it. Pretty dope. If you're a Jordan 2 fan, let me know what you think. This colorway pops. Airspan 2, 54 bucks. It was popping out, so I had to pull it off and see what it was. Air Max 0 BR. I don't know about those myself. I'm kind of good. Okay, they got them in that original colorway. I'm not gonna pull them down because you guys can see the box is messed up. Seen these in another outlet, and these are actually still in stores. You can get me at your local outlet for 89 bucks with 20% off, you dig? Okay, so that's gonna kind of wrap it up. Like I said before, a lot of dope things here. I'm about to get out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.